Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Devani Oktaviani, saya dari kelas HK21B. Sebelumnya Bapak mohon maaf, saya sudah record via Zoom tadi, cuman gagal terus. Saya akan menjelaskan the role of the convenient legal principles in realize the objective of the agreement. Article 30 of the Civil Code states that the agreement is an act with which one or more persons bind themselves to one or more other person. In general, an agreement is agreement between the parties about something that give birth to the agreement. Legal relationship gives rise to right and obligation, and if it is carried out, the promise will the result sensation. The purpose of the agreement is as follows: the basis for solving in problems arise in the future, so that the parties of the project obtain legal certainty of justice. Agreement dispute resolution should be resolved not only based on what is written in the agreement, but pay attention to the harmony of all the principles of the contract law, namely the principle of the freedom contract, the principle consensualism, the principle of legal certainty, the principle of good personality principle, trust principle, equal right principle, moral principle, principle property, the principle of habit, the principle of legal certainty, the principle of balance, the principle of protect. Thing to pay attention to fulfilled in making agreement, among others: what is an agreement in the purpose of making agreement, conditional, the validity of the agreement, principle, legal agreement, shape and type agreement, term of the conditional in the making of the agreement, system agreement, law agreement, structure agreement, anatomy, safe or the dispute resolution and agreement, ending agreement. 2. The rule of the contract law principle in a making agreement recurred among others. The main principle considered as a pillar of law agreement, the principle of law, the broadest base for the birth of the legal regulation principle serves as a guide of the direction orientation based of which law can be run in the order for protection of justice in embodied in agreement is necessary to harmonize all the principle of contract law, namely the principle of the freedom of contract, the principle of consensualism, the principle of legal certainty, the principle of right, moral principle, principle of property, principle habit, the principle of legal certainty, the principle of balance, or the principle of protection. Suggestion 1. The parties who want to do the agreement must really understand how important the role of the principle contract law in the making and implementation of the agreement. 2. When a problem arises related to the agreement, it is hoped that the judge who handles its indecision not only based off what is written agreement, but must pay attention and consider agreement of all the principles of contract law. All these principles are interrelated on one another, not separable, applicable simultaneously, take place simultaneously, proportional and fair, and made as a frame for binding the content of the agreement. This is how an ideal application of law in this circuit can be realized. Thank you so much for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.